We have Kirsten King here of Dad's Garage Theater on Will It Doughnut. Today we have Shrimp and Grits Doughnut. Are you ready for this?
Is anyone ready for this?
Everybody should be ready.
Then yes, I'm ready.
We'll give it a go. Well, here, dive in.
Okay.
And if you got some questions, feel free to ask. I don't know. This is my first time tasting it too.
I'm tasting the shrimp element first, so I can judge it. All right. Smells good. Looks good. I don't hate it.
Well, there you go, folks. She said it was 100% great. One of the best things she ever had in her whole life.
No. Hold on.
Will it donut?
I think it will donut. Percentage-wise, I think I'm going to land like somewhere between 89 and 94.
91.3 donutted today, okay?
Because at first, as someone who is a Southern girl but does not like cornbread, and there is no cornbread in here, of course, but it looks like cornbread, which threw me off. And so my brain was like, you're not going to like this. So I had to fight that. So unfortunately for you, you lost a couple points because of that.
Oh boy, here we go. If she doesn't like cornbread, it's okay.
But it's still delicious.
Well, how do you don't like cornbread, but you like grits?
Yeah.
Because it's like, I can say maybe because is cornbread too dry for you?
Most times, yeah.
Because, cornbread and grits, especially the way this was made, essentially the same-ish. It's the same realm, because cornbread is made from cornmeal and grits are made from cornmeal. So it's essentially the same base, but grits are cooked longer and obviously they're smoother and softer, and that's kind of the deal. And there's a lot of cheese in there.
Yeah.
And hidden secret, you always win when you slide cheese and stuff. No one can deny the cheese, even if they don't know it's there.
I can't deny the cheese.
Can you taste the cheese in the grits?
It could be a little more powerful cheese-wise, but I can taste it.
Okay.
I wouldn't be afraid of more cheese.
There's a lot of cheese inside the grits. So it was made, we took some yellow corn grits, made it grits, mixed the grits.
Professional way of mixing.
We threw some salt in there, some butter, some cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese, some Monterey Jack cheese, some Parmesan cheese. We mixed it, and then we sort of piped it into our mold and put cheese on top and cheese on the outside, and then baked it. So hopefully it can get nice, crispy, and hold together like this. And I think it did very well holding together. If you can see that, we have a little, shrimp and grits donut. And then we took the bacon. There was bacon in there and chorizo and shrimp.
Is the chorizo what I'm tasting is so nice and spicy?
Yes.
Love it.
Good. Just put love in it. Take out everything else you said. Render the fat from the bacon, cook the bacon off, then cook the chorizo off, then cook the shrimp in the chorizo bacon fat, and then added it all back in, a little tomato paste, a little lemon juice, and some spices, and there we go. And this is our sauce.
I might say that the lemon juice addition at the end might be my favorite part. The acidity is giving me all of my Will It Doughnut life right now.
Okay, good. Exciting. Because I was thinking it was a little too lemony, but okay.
I could even use a little more, just because I'm an acid fiend, so.
So you're an actor here in Atlanta area.
I am. I'm represented by People Store. They're great. I'm also a performer at Dad's Garage Improv Theater, as well as the Youth Programs Director, so send me all of your children. Other than that, I'm out here just being a queen, living my best life.
How'd you get into acting?
I did my first play in the 3rd grade. And I never looked back. I performed all through like middle school here and there. I really took it a little bit more seriously in high school, and then senior year of high school, I said, I think I, really want to do this. And then I did. I auditioned.
Juilliard?
No, lower the bar, friend, like I did for your donut.
That was a question, okay? I didn't know that was an insult in the actor game.
No, I went to Auburn University, War Eagle, and they have a really wonderful theater department. So I went and got my BFA from Auburn University, and then I studied on Broadway at the Circle in the Square Summer Professional Conservatory. They are also dope. And then my first professional job with Georgia Shakespeare brought me down here doing their children's tour of Midsummer Night's Dream, and I've been here, almost 15 years now. So I may look like a baby, but I'm an old lady.
How's the Atlanta acting scene?
It's pretty good, especially now compared to when I first moved down here. It is the mecca for movies right now. People call it the Hollywood of the South, but really just call it the South, and it's great just like that. We've got a lot of things happening down here. There's a lot of voiceover work, actor work, commercial work, industrial work, and I'm just trying to pick up some checks along the way.
Good. What else do I have to say? You got any plays or anything coming up?
I do. There is a play called Lawrenceburg at Dad's Garage, which is a show after next that will be one of our scripted plays there. I am writing a piece with one of my writing partners at People Store. Shout out to Alyssa. And then I have just been doing little things here and there with different friends and different writing partners and different whatevers around town.
Okay.
So I don't want to disclose too much.
Okay, secret. Watch out for Kirsten King. Follow her on social media. Stalk her. Show up to her shows. Hold up big signs.
Hold on. Wait a second.
We're going to put her phone number down on the screen. No. Text her. See where she's located at. You know what I'm saying?
No new friends. Hard policy. No new friends.
Ping her. Follow her. I can tell you what her car looks like and her license plate number. It's right here. Okay?
No. Don't click right here.
Honk at her. Okay? Honk. Say, hey, I saw you on Willie Donut. You know? If she's not looking your way, keep honking and kind of, hey, Willie Donuts, you know?
That is awful advice. Please don't do any of that. But you can find me on like social media and all that good stuff, and then and support all my stuff.
Yeah, go to Dad's Garage. I know she's there pretty regularly doing their secret shows and midnight shows and stuff. You'll have a lot of improv battles and competitions.
We do. We had Kevin Kinney there, one of our special guests who sometimes likes to roll through. Sometimes we have Colin Mockery, legit friend of mine at this point.
Colin. Have you ever had Ben Schwartz there? He's great.
We have, indeed.
What?
Yeah, believe it or not.
Ben Schwartz, big fan of his. So
oh, really?
His stuff on College Humor.
Oh, man.
It was pretty funny. The Funny or Die, it was good on that. And then saw some of his stuff, watching a show called House of Lies. He's on there.
I've never seen it.
I just started binging it. It's pretty good. It's got Don Cheadle in it. It's funny because I've just watched him on the second season. So it's got Don Cheadle. He's the only black guy. So you think, oh, it's just a black guy. This is a black guy because he's famous playing in a white show. Well, just playing in a regular show. He's just a regular person. But secretly, in the second season, they slide in there black issues and issues that pertain to the African American community. I'm like, oh, I see what you did there. Little Trojan horse. Hey, this is a regular show. Everybody's can come watch it, and then secretly be like, hey, but Black Lives Matter. Hey, police brutality. Sometimes when you go in a meeting, they look down on you because you're black and stuff. Okay.
It's so hard to take you seriously when you go, after everything you say.
Yeah, well, that's how they do it. They're like, yeah. Because it's a comedy show / drama. So
really?
It's pretty good, yeah. Because all the people on there are comedians, like
you?
The great Ben Schwartz.
Oh.
Probably one of the greatest improvers of all time.
Those are big words. No shade, Ben.
Did you see him when he was at Dad's Garage?
I did.
Did he make you laugh throughout the whole show? Hysterically? You're on record, and he's probably watching.
He did make me laugh. If you were cool enough, you could have been there.
Oh,
Too
man.
bad.
Oh,
Aw, don't be sad. You got your donuts. Yay! Donuts or Ben Schwartz? It's a good sign that I'm still eating this.
Good deal. Because I finished mine. It was delish. But I'm a big fan of grits anyways, and cheese, so.
You also like
shrimp.
to eat like
Thank
it's
you.
gonna disappear.
Yeah, I like to eat until I hate myself, so.
Well,
And if I had more food, I would keep eating it because I'm not at that stage yet, but I decided to hold off. Nows, go get you some grits. And then dip it in the shrimp. Bring it like a donut. It's a donut.
what it must be like to work for you.
Oh, he loves it. He's like, this is a great opportunity to work with the donut master.
I don't know.
He's a genius. He's been on the cooking channel on one episode of a random show. So people know me on the street. Like when I'm walking down the street, people are like, hey, weren't you on a random episode of Fox 5? And I'm like, yeah, I was there. That was me.
Are you talking about the news channel?
Yes. Our local news, of course. If you're in Atlanta, everybody knows. You know, so yeah. Yes. Paul from Fox 5 came to the donut shop and interviewed me. We're on a first name basis.
Okay.
But it's still Paul from Fox 5, like Kamal from the donut shop. It's not necessarily Kamal or Paul, but you know, it's still cool.
So you're more so acquaintances.
Friends, Paul from Fox 5.
Well, you got to lose that from Fox 5 part.
You know, it's baby steps, you know what I'm saying? So we're working on it. You know, Paul, but you know, things. Did you heat that up, Niles? Oh, good luck.
Oh shit, alright.
Niles,
Nice.
what do you think, Niles?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Because Niles was over there staring, licking his lips.
Like a wolf in a cartoon.
Does that work, Niles?
Well,
So what do you give? How much percentage do you give it?
100.
Oh.
Thank you. You're not fired today. And he's not just saying that because I can hire and fire him, okay? He's saying that because he genuinely enjoys it. So, let it be known, we did donut today. Kirsten gave it 89 to 94%.
There's a range.
Niles gave it 100%, and I gave it 91.3%. So we did donut. That'll be a screenshot, okay? Get out of here, Niles. All right. Well, thank you, Kirsten King, for coming by and trying the donut on our new formatted Will It Donut, the second season. Actually, yeah, this is the second season.
Season 2.
The second season of Will It Donut, episode 2, new format. So we're trying new stuff out. So thanks for coming by. I'm glad you enjoyed the donuts. And do you have your things? Do you want people to actually follow you on things, or you
If
just want to
I-
put Dad's Garage right here?
Yeah, put Dad's Garage and then just like stay dope.
Stay dope. So if you're staying dope, you see Kirsten King on these streets, go check out Dad's Garage.
Yeah.
She's there. You know, she'll be in their next up and coming show. Or whenever we put this out, maybe it's already there. What's the name of the show again?
It's Lawrenceburg, and it's the scripted show that's happening after Black Nerd.
So Lawrenceburg. So go check out Lawrenceburg.
Yeah.
She's in there. You got one part, two parts?
One part, but it's a super dope part. Yeah.
Singing and dancing?
There will be some singing and possibly some dancing. Definitely some singing, though.
Okay, exciting.
Yeah, and let's not forget, send me your children. I'm the youth programs director at Dad's, and we have a year-round program, which is all year round. And then, of course, summer camp program. Technically, all of those camps are already full. So think about me for next summer. But yeah, send me your kids.
Yeah, go to Dance Garage, send the kids, summer camp, learn improv. So it'll be great.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching Will It Donut. Bye.
Bye.